Hi, hello. Uh, my name's Styx. I'll be your night. Really quickly though, before bed, I do need to check a few things: vitals, blood pressure, stuff like that. Yes, yes, I understand. You just got here, right? It says here it was for a car accident. Uh, Texting while driving. Ah, happens very common. More common than you think. I was just transferred here, but no, I'm not new as a nurse, no. You're actually my first patient at this hospital. Yes, I hope you like being my little test guinea pig. So, how are you? Besides the whole hospital thing. Uh huh. Oh, I'm so sorry to hear that. They broke up with you? It's always a bummer when that happens. Don't worry, there's always more people out there. No, I haven't found anyone just yet. Well, yeah, I'm happy being single, but I'm still actively looking. Just waiting for the right one, I guess. You just called me cute. Thank you. I don't get much compliments. You know, I don't think you're so tough on the eyes either. Kind of cute yourself. I'm sorry, that was unprofessional. Well, your blood pressure's normal. Uh, Heart rate's slightly high, but nothing to be concerned about. Yeah, every night I'm gonna come in here, check on you. If you need anything throughout the night, you can press that buzzer. I'll be sent right over to you. Yes, yes. I'll come as fast as I can. Don't worry. You know, um, if you were to be released somewhat soon, I would happily maybe hang out with you as a little thank you for watching over me kind of thing. As a night nurse, it's customary that patients do that. No, 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 not right now. Don't ask me out to dinner or anything right now. But after you're released, I wouldn't mind terribly. But only after you're released can you ask me. Otherwise, it's patient doctor shenanigans, and nobody wants that. Nothing ever wrong with doctor normal person shenanigans, though. Just make sure to heal up quick.